First physics student, we will study the paper number 1, mathematical methods in physics. In mathematical methods in physics, we will start the chapter number 1, vector space and matrix algebra. In vector space and matrix algebra, we have start the points. The first point is a vector space. But before the study of vector space, we will discuss the 2 points. One is the vector field and another is the scalar field. In vector field, the elements of vector field is called as a vectors and the element of scalar field is called as a scalar. Then let's start the definition of vector space. What is meant by vector space? Let V be a non-empty set. Non-empty set with two operations. First is a vector addition. This assigns to any u comma v belongs to v a sum u plus v belongs to v. That means that two vector u comma v belongs to v and that sum of the two vector is also belongs to v. And then second is a scalar multiplication. This assigns to any u belongs to v, k belongs to k, a product ku belongs to v. That means that vector u belongs to v and that scalars that belongs to that scalar field and the product of that scalars and vector is also belongs to v. Then v is called as a vector space, over the field K. And that vector space following satisfy the 8 axioms. The vector space satisfy the 8 axioms, and in that 8 axioms 4 are the scalar multiplication and 4 are the vector addition. Let's see the one by one. The first is the A1, that is the vector addition. A1 is the for any u comma v comma w belongs to v, that all are the vectors that belongs to v. Then u plus v plus w is equal to u plus in bracket v plus w. That is the associative law. Then second axiom is there is a vectors in v denoted by 0 vector such that for any u belongs to v, then u plus 0 is equal to 0 plus u is equal to u. That is the second axiom of vector addition. Then third axiom, for each vector for each vector u belongs to V, there is a there is a vectors in V denoted by negative vector for which u plus minus u is equal to, in bracket, minus u plus u is equal to z. This is the third axiom. The next axiom A4, for any vector u comma v belongs to V, then u plus v is equal to v plus u, and this is called as a commutative law. This four axiom is the vector addition. Then other four is the scalar multiplication. In that, first there is the m1. For any scalar small k belongs to capital K, and any vector u belongs to capital V, then k, in bracket, u plus v is equal to ku plus kv. Then second, m2, for any scalar a comma b belongs to K, and any vector u belongs to V, then a plus b into u is equal to au plus bu. Full stop. The third axiom, M3, for any scalar a comma b belongs to K, and any vector u belongs to V, then AB is equal to A, in bracket, BU. That is the third axiom. Then last axiom, M4, for any scalar 1 that belongs to K, and any vector u belongs to V, then 1u is equal to u. This 8 axiom, 4 are the vector addition and 4 are the scalar multiplication. Any one of the above axioms is not satisfied, then V is not a vector space. Full stop.